How can you have hairier legs than me?
Right, at Batu Cave, it stinks here. This is Batu Caves, it's like a fairground centre or fun park, I don't even know, look, it's horrible. Loads of nice air conditioning units up there. Bit of romance. I don't know where this place is, fucking bloody caves, but it's packed. It's ridiculous. But, look at that. There's like 2 million people going up them steps. Let's go with them. That guy is actually posing for a photograph whilst on his mobile. What an absolute boss. Alright, just going to pose for a photo. Do I look cooler if I'm taking a selfie whilst on my phone? People here, like, they're posing for pictures, but none of them are like, they're all like serious, they're like this. I'm really not happy to be here, maybe. It is crap. If I'm honest, this is a load of rubbish, absolute load of crap. What the fuck? Look at it, it's like walking in a shopping mall, but it happens to be in a cave. Load of trash, don't come here, waste of time. There's no attempt to try and preserve this cave in any way, it's just a commercial hub. The best caves are ones that are untouched. End of. And then a nice thing, all the litter. To show you how crap this place is, let's go look for rubbish, and you don't have to look very hard. Bottles there, plastic bags there. Look, pigeons just eating people's shit. Lots of rubbish, plastic bags. Look at all them plastic bottles, nice. Oh, brilliant, giving a monkey rubbish. You wouldn't expect this stuff in a cave, would you? All that crap. I was in a beautiful cage in Indonesia. Now that's beautiful, it's untouched, nothing like this. This is trash, absolute rubbish. Best way to describe it is imagine British countryside before they chucked in the M25, because that's what it feels like now. It feels like I'm stuck on the M25 and it's horrible. I'm sure Malaysia's beautiful, but just not this place. I'm going to find some real beauty. At least the pigeons like it. It is living a dream. Beautiful stuff, like nature. We touch it and we add a McDonald's and make it commercialised, and it just ruins it. And we don't pick up our litter. In fact, I saw so many people giving monkeys plastic bottles and food and other crap that it just makes you wonder, what the hell am I doing on this planet? Okay, you could have asked if you wanted to borrow my hairbrush. This is ridiculously high. I really want to go to Dubai. If I think this is high, one in Dubai. It hurts my neck. Mate, if anyone ever says Malaysia's a poor country, it is having a laugh. It's erupted. Quick, quick. We got this guy. This guy. Well, it was nice, but we got this guy. Mate, this place lit up. This guy is pitch black, but he still needs his sunglasses. Sunglasses. Yes. This is Justin Bieber. No, the Malaysian Justin Bieber. Damn! This has got better. Man, Malaysian Justin Bieber is the one. The umbrella. Oh, sunglasses on. Even cooler. Oh no, it's 3 of them.